Industrial stocks represent companies involved in the production of goods and services that are essential to the functioning of the economy. This includes companies in sectors like transportation, construction, energy, and manufacturing. Investors are often drawn to industrial stocks because they can offer both capital appreciation and dividend income. The industrial sector typically experiences growth when the economy is expanding and demand for goods and services increases. Moreover, industrial companies often have long-term contracts and stable revenue streams, making them attractive to investors seeking consistency. Additionally, these companies can be less vulnerable to short-term economic fluctuations compared to other sectors like technology or retail. The role of manufacturing in industrial stocks. Manufacturing is a core component of the industrial sector. It involves producing everything from consumer goods to heavy machinery. Many manufacturing companies are well established and have a global presence, allowing them to benefit from international demand. As automation and technology continue to advance, manufacturing companies are becoming more efficient, improving profit margins and overall growth potential. Investors in manufacturing stocks